Faster trains, better stations and more powers for Wales are just some of the recommendations in a new report from the National Assembly for Wales's Enterprise and Learning Committee. Its two-month inquiry into Wales's future rail infrastructure found a network struggling with inadequate rolling stock, poor station facilities, infrequent services in rural areas and a lack of statutory control. On the issue of station accessibility, many potential passengers are simply unable to take the train because of poor facilities. Alan Thomas has cerebellar ataxia, a neurological condition which doesn't confine him to a wheelchair permanently, but it does mean one is a necessary part of his life. If he wants to take a train journey, he travels not to his local station 6 miles away, but to a main station 15 miles away. The problem is access and facilities.
This station is unmanned, and if you require assistance at any station, you have to ring and book it a few days in advance. And if the station's unmanned, you won't get it.
This station does have disabled ramps for either platform, but it is one of the 220 across Wales the report found were unmanned, making access difficult. Improving station access and facilities is just one of the 21 recommendations in the report from the Enterprise and Learning Committee. Its chair is Gareth Jones AM.
Well, this report looks very much at the long-term future of the rail network in Wales, and all the evidence we've gathered so far indicates clearly there's going to be an increasing demand in terms of freight and passenger traffic. And the objective hopefully will be that Wales will benefit from this extra traffic on our railways, so that we are better placed in terms of high-speed link connections with the rest of the UK and Europe.
The committee also recommends the consideration of urban light railways in Cardiff, Swansea and Newport, the introduction of new rolling stock and the devolution of powers and associated funding so that Wales can plan and invest in its own rail infrastructure in future. The full report from the Enterprise and Learning Committee is available from our website.